Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all nations, denominations, sizes and races, good morning. You are now watching John Renait on Renait Reborn, the best photography channel on YouTube. So today I am actually walking to a special location that is dear to my heart. I'm going towards Shoreditch today. I've got myself a photo shoot and I will be using my SONY A6000, which is the best camera in 2020. I don't care what anyone says. And I will be using the Sony 30mm 1.4, which again is hands down it is the best lens that I've used on this camera. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'm up to 180 subscribers. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys in a minute. Guys, so it's currently 4 p.m. and I'm walking towards O Street. We've just finished our photo shoot and now it's time to get the editing process done and review the images.